Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to use the LiveChat to manage all your WhatsApp conversations in a single place. Let's get started. Open your account and go to the WhatsApp LiveChat module in the left sidebar. Click on LiveChat under the account you wish to use. You will see all your conversations there, including those between your customers and your chatbot. Double-click on a conversation to open it and send a message. Now, let's create some boards to classify them. Click on the Add Tab button at the top right corner of the page. Enter a name for your board, for example, Leads. Add a description, then select a color for it and save. Create as many boards as you wish. We recommend you match them to your customer journey. When you are done, simply drag the conversations into their corresponding column. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.